Nanga mojara mushuka ufila kama heta manila rapaketa Unilever goborete emaleva osaka garashata kalwe osaka gareke style seman tibiteri naga sama lesket skete sela sadi raftet seman cash kompa shakma pa ara gonna get cash kompa shut up ara maradona get
Oi, man.
Smoke on you, can't tap I talk on you. But I die for us all. Bari, piri maru.
Oi. What's up, man? I wanna man. What you call my P? Yes, I did. Oh, better pencil, let my feet. Chimama konye, kepali. Zesta fagi, ile laini. What you call my P? Yes, I did. Oh, better pencil, let my feet. Chimama konye, kepali. Zesta fagi, ile laini. What you buy pretty, lizard. Buy unity, chimama pim. Papa say penny when there's all. I'm happy with a pencil. What you buy pretty, lizard. Buy unity, chimama pim. I say penny when there's all.
My name is your soul. Hola, hola, Adala, Ate Pirimaru. Pirimaru, hola, Adala, Ate Pirimaru. Pirimaru.
I tonight that day, I tonight that day, I tonight that day. Dano da, I tonight that day, I tonight that day, I tonight that day. Ay, Dano no, I don't know what I gotta take that. Why you push up, why back up, why back up. I don't know what I gotta take that. Why you was already was why do I love that? Why I like it and I got it, babe. I know she like me. And when you're
Hi guys, the lighting is not so good. That's because since it's so much, it's like 6:30. But yeah, I just wanted to open this vlog because if I don't, I am literally gonna forget. So yeah, Sanbona, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. To click the subscribe button down below to become a part of our family because it is a love of here, okay? And if you're a new subscriber, welcome back to our party, baby. Welcome back to a new vlog, guys. Today is what? Thursday? Yeah, today's Thursday and I am currently cooking. I think you guys would have seen that footage before this one. But yeah, I am currently cooking. I'm making my favorites. It's been so long since I had chicken livers. So I am making chicken livers because I am food to. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to show you guys the final product when I'm finally done. But yeah, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Please share it to your friends, share it to everyone so that our little family can grow. We are growing, guys. I think from the previous vlog, no, the one before the moving vlog, I gained about 10 new subscribers, and I love it for us, man. We're growing, and yeah, like buhle bandla, buhle. So yeah, let me continue cooking and I will speak to you guys I think on Tuesday because I need to go and do my nails. My hair, I'm disakhulumi bandla, and my hairstylist is not around, so angazi ukuthi ngizowenze njani, but Yeah, I'll see you guys whenever I see you.
Hello everything. Today is a Saturday and it's currently like 2 something past 2. It's almost 3 p.m. actually. If you can hear that noise, guys, ngizama ukubilisa amanzi because amanzi ekizini are not enough and I need water for my son to take a bath. My son is here for the weekend to visit us, so yeah, I just got back from the salon to do my nails. Aren't these so gorgeous? They're giving grown. But yeah, I did my nails at Glamorous Nail and Beauty. I'll try to put their number here on screen so that if you are around at Davidson, book Umbali, guys. She also does installation. We are cleaner. Umbali. The only thing that she doesn't do, I think, is lashes and makeup. Yeah, those are the 2 things that she doesn't do. But she does nails, she does hair, umbali. Anyway, I also did my toes. So now I want to unpack groceries that I bought yesterday, and I got some flowers. Oh my god, I got some flowers. I got flowers at Walmart yesterday, so I'm gonna put those in a vase and then I'm gonna clean because this house, child, it's a mess. And then tomorrow something exciting is coming, so I am so happy for that. But yeah, I think you guys would have seen the previous clips. I went to Gelma because bengiyofuna iwine rack, so nizoyibona ke iwine rack eyayizolo ukuthi bengiyifunelani. But yeah, konke lokho ngizobona kusasa. But for now I'm just gonna clean and then I'm gonna unpack the things that I bought yesterday at the mall and then call it a day. Oh, I also need to go to the salon lounge just near us, New York Lexicon. So when I'm done with everything, uboy uzongiphelezela ngihambe ngiyokwenza ikhanda. And then yeah, we're gonna end our day. Udeja akekho, he's at work. And I also want to do like a ponytail, but I think I'm gonna do it on Monday. Tomorrow I'm gonna do my lashes, and then on Monday I'm gonna do the ponytail. So yeah, please guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Share it to your friends, share it to your family, share it to everyone, so that our little family can grow. But yeah, I'll see you guys whenever.
You Mikey, looks like we're making up for lost time. Need you to spell it out for me. Crossing over on the line. It's like a type of alchemy. Introduce me to your best friend. I can come and slide right in. Satellite ain't even that far. I kinda wonder where you are. Already know I can leave it alone. You're on my mind. Already gave you the time and the place, so don't be shy. Just come be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give. I want it. I kinda like it when you call me wonderful. Whatever the type of talk it is, come on then. I gotta know you're meant to be the man I need. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, be the man that I need. Talk to me, be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, be the man. Like to think you feel the same way.
Good morning guys. Today is a Sunday and it is almost 9 a.m. and so we are almost like 30 minutes since I woke up. I did my bed, and Izolo I went to relax my hair. I'm gonna try to do a ponytail tomorrow because I'm giving my hair a little break from braiding. I'll only braid like maybe for my birthday. So yeah, right now I want to make breakfast for my son, and Ute, he just wants Kellogg's, so I think I'm just gonna make that for him. And then I'm gonna make myself a cup of coffee, and then I'm gonna do the laundry. But also I need to take things, I need to get busy guys. We bought a couch. So my husband bought us a cupboard because the one we had, yeah, ABC take. So we're gonna give that one to my uncle because naye uyaqala like ukuhlala endaweni. Naye uyaqala ukuhlala endaweni yakhe, so yeah, uzobambisa nje naye for now njengoba nathi bisibambeleke. Husband went to fetch the couch now, so I'm gonna take it why am I saying the couch, the cupboard. We're in the cupboard in Manj. So when he comes back, we're just gonna move his into But yeah, we got a new cupboard and I am so happy. I like it. The guy made it exactly the way that I wanted him to make it. We keep it the way we corner. So yeah, right now, like I said, I'm gonna make breakfast for my son and a cup of coffee for myself. I'm also hungry, but I think I'll only eat when my husband is back, and then we're gonna start cooking later on because he is going to work and I'm not. So yeah, let's go to the kitchen to make food for the boy, coffee for myself, and then keep it easy and do in my cavity.
I got a couch.
Thank you so much. It's best. Yeah, Friday, yes, but you look like a peanut. Yeah. Happy birthday.